What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tylisha Shantuane, and I am here with another video. Welcome back, or if you are new here, hey girl, get comfortable. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy your time here. And if you are oldie but goodie, welcome back. And today I am coming to you with a Shein haul. This is my first Shein haul, you guys, but I am really excited about it. I've just been picking up a few things here and there and just trying it out because I don't typically order from Shein like that because I'm always concerned about the sizing in clothes. But I got a couple of clothing items and I got accessories. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. I did a little bit of perusing on Shein's app and I found a couple of things. So first of all, let me tell you what drove me to Shein. So I have been on the hunt for that love necklace that Zara had. It sold out on Zara and Zara just never restocked it. Usually Zara is pretty good about restocking once something sells out, but that once it was gone, it was gone. So I have been searching everywhere trying to find I guess a dupe or just another love necklace. So I looked on Etsy. They had it on Etsy, but it was like $80. They had it on eBay, but people were selling it for like $100. I was not going to do that when Zara, I believe, was selling it for like 20 something dollars, maybe like $29.95 or something like that, or $30, something like that. So I just wasn't gonna do that. I didn't want it that bad. And I looked on Poshmark. People were still selling it for like $80, Macari. So that was just a no. Well, then I just happened to go on Shein and voila, Shein had it. So this is the necklace. So it says love. It's gold and it's like a choker. So it looks exactly, from what I can remember, like the love necklace from Zara. I think this is so fly. Like, I think this is so cute. It is very minimal, but it's there. It's a choker. You can see it. So let me give you the deets on this choker. So I did get it in the yellow gold color, which is the perfect gold. It's not too yellow. It's just perfect. The love part is a little bit heavy, but you can't really tell because it's on your neck. So you can't tell. It is adjustable. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want to. Guess how much this choker was, y'all? I'm gonna give y'all a minute to guess. Now, I already told you Etsy was doing it for $80. Zara, I think, had it for $30. Y'all, I paid $2.40 for this necklace. Let me repeat that. $2.40. It's the exact same necklace from what I can remember. If it ain't the exact, it is pretty darn close. I'm glad I got it. I'm excited. I've been on the hunt. And I believe that necklace was on Zara last year, like summertime into like fall of last year, 2022. Well, it took me to now, to almost summer of 2023 to get it. But good things come to those who wait, you guys. And $2.40, I would say this is a good thing. I will have everything that I mentioned in this haul, as long as it's still available. I will have it linked down in the description box below. So make sure y'all check there. Okay. All right. So we're going to just go ahead and, since we're in accessories, we're just going to keep the ball rolling with accessories. Next is the mini graphic flap chain novelty bag. I love this. So it is in the shape of a triangle. I really do like this bag. I wish this wasn't on here. It's in like a metallic silver. It says fashion and bags. I don't think that we needed that. It's not necessary. But it's on there. I mean, it doesn't really like bother me. But I thought this was cute. Like, can you see this with like a oversized long button up or something, and then just having this crossbody? It's so small and cute. Y'all know how I feel about small bags. So you ain't putting a lot in here. So just know that you're not gonna put a lot in here. This is how big she is. I can get 4 fingers in here. That's it. But it's okay. She is like decoration. And then it comes with like a silver chain. Like, crossbody. I cannot wait to wear this little old tiny bag. I think it is so cute. Like a oversized button up with like some wide leg jeans or baggy jeans. And then this little bag. I think it is so freaking cute. This little bag was $11.40 and very cute. The material feels great on this bag and I just love the size of it, and it's just a cute little addition to your black bag collection if you have one. Okay, so the next bag that I got is this bag right here. It is metallic all the way around. So this is the mini artificial patent leather metallic letter graphic square bag. Again, I'm not sure why Shein sees it fit to put words right here. It's unnecessary. We don't need words. So this one says Sunita in fashion, established 1985. That it was actually the year that I was born. Look at me over here telling my age. So that's how the bag opens. It's a flat bag. And this is the inside of the bag. So it has 2 sections right here. This is the chain for the bag, which I guess is okay. I don't know how I feel about this part right here. I wish the whole chain was silver, but you know, you can always go on Amazon and just order chains. Probably on Shein as well. Let's just slide it on real quick. Okay, so that's the chain. And this is the part that goes over your shoulder. Let me see. I mean, I guess it's not terrible. I just wish the whole strap was silver or metallic. But it's cute. It's not a bad quality. This bag was $14.40. Shein does have really good prices for their items. And Shein has a lot of good dupes, a lot of fast fashion. And I don't have any complaints about this bag at all. Not any major complaints anyway. But this bag is cute. I love the mirror effect to it. Only thing is, you know, it's going to show fingerprints. But, I mean, that's okay. Just take a wipe and wipe it off. And this will be in addition to I have 2 other metallic bags now. And this one would make my 3rd edition. Don't judge me. Judge your mama. So, yeah, I like this little bag. I just wish this wasn't on here. But you can't really see it like that, but I just feel like it's very unnecessary. This one is not as bad as this one, but I just feel like it's not necessary. Shein, you can really just leave the words off of these items. We don't need it. Put it on the inside. We don't really need it on the front. You could just leave it plain, but I can't tell them what to do with their business, especially if we still buying it. Okay, so next we're gonna go into this little outfit that I have on. So I have a 2-piece set, y'all. I saw, I think her name is on Instagram. I think it was her. She actually got this same outfit. And when I saw her put it on her Instagram, I was like, ooh, I like that. This would be so cute to take on vacation or wear it in your own city, whatever. It is a knitted material 2-piece like set. So it has black and white stripes, top and bottom. Now, you cannot separate the sizes from the top and the bottom. So whatever size you get, that's what size is going to be on the top and the bottom. Well, this set is super, super stretchy, y'all. I got a large in the set. I really could have gotten a medium in the skirt part, but then I wouldn't have been able to fit the top. It fits just right on my boobs. Like, Any smaller, it would not cover my boobs at all. This set came in a number of colors: apricot and black, white and black, green and cream stripe, burnt orange and cream, and brown and cream. I definitely want to get another color. I just wish I could separate the sizing in the top and the bottom. But since I can't, that's not gonna stop me. I'm still gonna get it. This set was only $25.49, y'all. And y'all know Shein always got a coupon. They always have a coupon for at least 10 to 15% off. So you don't even have to worry about that. And that's even if you don't break like $100. So definitely be looking out for that. I think they have coupon codes for free shipping as well. And Shein has gotten so much better on their shipping. It doesn't take nearly as long as it used to get your items. So that's definitely a plus. I've been on the hunt for gold, barely there heels. And I had been seeing some on the Zara app, but I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about them. So I ordered both. So I got a pair from the Zara app and then I got a pair from Shein. So I got them around the same time. So let me show you my Shein ones. So these are my Shein heels. I love these. Y'all know how I feel about having short heels. I don't need tall heels. I need to be able to walk. I need to be able to stand. And I need to be able to feel my toes the next day. So I don't mind the short heel. And then they strap up around the ankle like this. So cute. They have a square toe. Let me tell you what I love about these Shein heels. This part right here is so roomy and so spacious. My toes literally can move around in here. It is not squeezing the life out of the side of my baby toe and the side of my big toe. I have enough room, and because they're not high, I don't have to worry about my feet sliding forward out of the shoe. Like, I really like these shoes. Guess how much these shoes were? These shoes were $18. Now, like I told y'all, I ordered the ones from Zara as well. They were $59 and they were cute. They were cute. They were gold, but they had like a snake skin print all over them, but they were gold. Made the same exact way and everything. Only thing is the strap across the foot was so narrow, and I have flat, fat feet, and my toes are kind of fat. So I need room in there, and it just didn't give me the room that I needed. Now I am hoping that this is not going to stretch out while I'm wearing it, but we'll see. I can't even put it past the shoe because again, it was only $18, but I'm hoping that they don't stretch out, but I don't think that my toes are going to be hurting in these. So I haven't worn them yet. So when I wear them, hopefully I'll be able to give you guys an update on how they feel on. But I cannot wait to wear these. And I am so glad that I got these and didn't have to break the bank to get them. $18? Yeah. So needless to say, I am sending back the Zara heels that are like this. I mean, why would I keep them when I can get these? And I think these are going to be a little more comfortable, but we shall see. Okay, so I have an item here that I'm just not really sure how I feel about it. So I keep buying these cropped white button up long sleeve or short sleeve shirts. Y'all already know that I've told you that I'm a 36G bra size. So the girls be girling, you know what I'm saying? But I keep buying these button up shirts that are cropped that really do not cover my boobs. So I did it yet again. I have a closet full of these shirts that I don't wear because of this very problem. So I did it again. Because I looked at Oh Hey It's K, I believe, or either Fashion Sherlock. One of them had this shirt. So it is a cropped button up, but it is asymmetrical. One side is shorter than the other. It's long sleeves with the big sleeve cuff at the bottom. I really like this shirt. So this is the Shein Unity Pocket front raw hem crop shirt. So this shirt I got in a size extra large, and I thought because I was getting it at extra large it was gonna make it longer in the front. No, I was wrong. I was definitely wrong. This extra large is a US 12. This shirt was $12.99. And I'm so mad that I cannot wear it, y'all. I mean, I could wear it. I can wear it. Maybe if I put on like a colorful bra underneath, or if I put on like a cropped, like, you know, the seamless bras or something like that underneath it, it probably wouldn't look so bad. But I just want it to just be long enough to cover my boobs and I don't have to worry about dressing up the bottom. I love this unfinished raw hem down here at the bottom. So I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it has like these hanging strings, like it was just cut. The shirt was just cut and then the strings were pulled down. So I do like the shirt and I want to wear the shirt. I want to wear the shirt real bad. But I'm going to have to zhuzh up these boobs underneath so that I don't look crazy, because I want it to look nice. I don't really want it to look like raunchy or scandalous or anything like that. So yeah, if you guys have this shirt, if you have big boobs, let me know or give me like some kind of advice on what you think I should do when trying to wear a shirt like this with larger boobs. But yeah, so that is everything that I got from Shein. I'm definitely going to be going back on Shein because I have a trip coming up at the end of June and I'm going to need some pieces. And if I can find pieces for the low, that's what your girl is trying to do. We trying to save a coin where a coin can be saved. Do you hear me? And still look cute in the process. So hopefully there's something in this haul that you enjoyed. Like I said, all of the links will be down below so you can easily click on those and they will take you straight to the items. And yeah, this video was not sponsored, by the way. I purchased these items with my own money. So yeah, so just keep that in mind. If you have stuck with your girl this far along in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, you guys.